Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. My people, this matter where I was the show now, so it really touched me. They say, let's call a spade a spade. Waiting this guy they complain about is very true. I don't know wetin dey worry our politicians, our councillors, wetin they want turn Nigeria into. If una see wetin this man dey show una go feel say maybe the man dey craze or the man. No, e dey show una the reality of life. How can you be giving a commissioner to commission road and you just use only sand? Oh my God, without no gravel inside. Where una dey pack all this money dey go? Where una dey carry all this money dey go? Who wan inherit this money? If una die, na una children dey waste this all this money wey una no know. Dem dey waste am for una. You understand? See the house wey dem build for GRA, wey dem build 20 years ago. All those baby cars wey una buy that time, but for now e no good again. It's of no use because all of them no dey e no dey again in the sense say no dey valid again. Why una dey maltreat una own country people? Make una follow me, make una look wetin this guy dey do. Na the road wey dem tie be this one. See am, no gravel inside, no quota, nothing. See wetin dem say dem do. You see am, my people, dey very very heartbroken. Why our leaders dey always dey do this for us, to us? Wetin dey happen? Why una always dey carry our money take dey do nonsense? Dem give una money, at least you still do well, collect some part, because dem no talk say oloyana money sirigbeho. You no go fit sirigbeho, but no be say you just use 95% put for your pocket and keep the remaining. You can't use 5% to do the job. It's not done. Make una still dey fear God. Make una still dey fear God. See the road wey una do for Edo State. E dey nyama. Where una dey carry all this money dey go? See money wey I see that day. They say the money don tey wey dem hide the money. At the end, the money come dey rot ten. My people, make una still talk to una sef. All these things no good. Na all of us suffer put for the Nigeria, but only una just dey gain. I no too blame una, you understand? Now una generation wey una wan live am for. Now those one, na Ogun go kill. You understand? Because I know say una go still Ogun go still kill una, but e go still kill that una generation wey una wan live the money for. See wetin dem just do, only cement, nothing for inside, my people. This is pure wickedness. Why Ogun no go kill una generation? All these politicians, all these stupid wetin dem dey call them, all these senator this and senator that, because this thing dey vex people. E dey vex me, my people. E dey make me dey shed tears for this kind of thing. You understand? See wetin this our brother come dey reveal for here. Who's and I feel say maybe the guy don craze. He no craze anything. Know wetin he dey do, my country people. Make una comot hand for bad thing. How una go just commission road without no quota, nothing? Too bad. If you look their pikin wey dem say dem born now, majority of all this their pikin na boys breast dem come be. See wetin person do, my people. You see wetin person do. If you look at all this their pikin wey dem born, na girls dem dey like girls, dem dey like boys. My country people, no be so. Edo wey this money wey una just dey win to una sef, na all of us suffer for that Nigeria. This guy dey vex, and including me, I dey vex. How you go just do a road, quota road without no quota? Just carry one something put only sand, no cement go dey inside trip of sand like two cement. Abba, this one not good, my country people. E dey very very bad. E dey very very bad. No be so, my country people. Very bad. Imagine the kind sand wey dey inside the cement now. They go fit carry, as these politicians come wicked reach, they fit use one wetin dem dey call am, egbedin, take soda, whether na soda be bridge road with plenty sand. Only one quota drum na dem go use. E no dey right at all. Before una go know, and they go say the road don start to dey spoil. Make una look wetin this our brother dey show una. Na road be this one. If quota dey, quota no go quick comot. Na just cement and sand na just be this one. But they pay this councillor or this senator wey do this road. Dem pay am this heavy money wey take do this road, but see wetin dey happen. Dey very very bad. I no know why Nigerian politicians, councillors, senators are so wicked. I no know. And una pikin dey use less the money, dey waste the money. You understand? Now pikin dey waste the money up and down. E dey very very bad, my country people. I shed tears when I see this video. Now I say I need to bring this video come outside, make my country people come see wetin dey happen for Edo State. Who Obaseki give this road to make a commission now? The person don carry Edo money enter house. He don carry this road money, this money wey dey take commission this road enter house. Before you know, now within 2 months now, everywhere go spoil. Not be say the government or the president no dey work, but the councillor, the senators wey dey appoint, they no be better people. See am, you see am, na only sand, no cement for inside. Cement no many for inside this place now. Imagine cement wey cement really cash. You no go just break instantly like this or easily like this. My people, make una stop all this bad thing wey una dey do. Make una stop am. Make una still dey fear God. Make una still dey pity for the masses. Say people too suffer. No your thought say e no concern you. Thank God the other one don come still shop na my turn. No, make una no dey do like that, my people. Very very bad. It pay me. You understand? E dey pay me. Dey very very bad. So now I say make I just let una know wetin dey sup for inside here. Make I put the video, make una listen to the
thing before. If you don't want to do, you don't do. You know that you did not do anything. See am now. See am. See am. Now be this. See, I swear to God, if anybody, make una no worry. God dey see all of us for this country wey we dey do. Everybody wey dey for this evil, wey dey happen for this country, tomorrow they will say na Buhari. Tomorrow everybody go dey point finger at Buhari. Nothing. Small opportunity wey we go get to represent our people well. No, my own community, God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. See rubbish wey dey happen everywhere.
People don't dey come out.
See rubbish wey dey happen. They say make me, I dey pray. Say make me, I dey pray for person wey dey do wrong. Pray for wetin? Pray for which rubbish? Pray for which rubbish? How you gonna do this thing? Not if you tell me the road one, where the water go dey flow through. Where na one make the water dey flow through. Where the pastor wey be dey clear for here? Where the pastor be clear for here? I don't get water with now. Na the pastor wey dey teach the one wey dey do this nonsense. Now I get issue with. Na the bastard I get issue with. They will give them money when they do something. They are supposed to share the money. They will do nothing. God will punish all of you. They will kill you. This road they will kill all of you. See road, now my ordinary hand. Ordinary hand. Now I tell the open now. So ordinary hand. See road where they do. See road where they do. Ogu kill that person. Ogu go kill the person. God go punish all of una. When they represent us, when no they do it, God go kill all of una. Because the money they come, una they chop her. Many of una when they do this thing, Ogu go kill una. Other here who did? I mean, therefore they you not put anything. See rubbish. See nonsense. If I put that God this road down, so all go open. All the road go open. You say make they appeal with the person. God will punish anybody when they do so. Anybody where they represent us, when they represent well, God will kill them. Me, I know they fear. You don't get who no go die. If I die today now, don't die so. I know they fear anything. If I die today, I don't die, but everybody go die last time. Now road with this. Now road with this one. How you gonna do this thing? You not pull road. You not pull road, you the cover around. You not pull road, you the cover around. It make any sense to human being? It better than God, not go wash them. Does it make any sense? God, they see all of us. No problem, me, my yellow make I they go my house. I don't feel talk. I pray if I they come back live, make I not come from Igala again. Make I not even come from Akukwedo again. Go out, you go see what they do there. Well, who will kill everybody throw away? For this local government, should be election they come to. Somebody say make a day happy say somebody they do. Which one they work with this? Work well, my hand they remove. Say I be happy say I no talk. Who